I'm saying those words because I want him to understand me. You're chairman of the evening, Gedalia. Gedalia always invites me because he knows one thing. I always do a better job being a comedian when I don't get paid. See what I mean? But at any rate, tonight for me, I wouldn't miss it for the world. I even brought my daughter-in-law, Cheryl, and my son Ian here. Folks, Peter's in the back. You are all people of the theater. People, folksmen, Yiddishkeit, which I miss very much because when I did my TV series, what did they know about Yiddishkeit? The camera didn't know about Yiddishkeit, and the directors didn't know, so you miss it. You miss it, especially when you go around carrying a name like Finkel. You miss all these things. And I always miss you, ladies and gentlemen. I can't tell you, Pesach means a lot to me. And Corey, may God give him a lot of credit and strength to do what he does.